Hey, how y'all doing? I don't know. I just messing around. Hey, welcome to Blue Black Noise Channel as we go for a ride and go, oh, do you know? But I guess you read the title. Run an intro. Hey, how y'all doing? How you mama and them? I think I bumped my mirrors or something. Alright, hey, how you doing? How you mama and them? I think I just said that. So, welcome to Oh Do You Know? Trucker hats or Richardson 112s. So, the man in the shed's got all the details. I'll kick you over to him shortly. It's 70 degrees. Feels pretty good. Sun's a little warm. What do you expect? Happy Memorial Day. Oh me. So let's see what the guy in the shed's got to say about the Richardson's 112s. Oh, do you know Richardson's trucker's hat is also called a Richardson 112? Now you do. It's called one now. It's just a brand name that was made hats back in the 1883. James Richardson teamed up with a Baltimore hat company and founded it. So Richardson 112s. That's what they called, but everybody calls them trucker's hat. Yep. Alright, that's very cool about old James Richardson's back in 1883, huh? Alrighty, so see, I remember that. So I'm riding over to, I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest with you. The Southern Cruisers 365 chapter. I still ain't seen nobody there in a long time. I posted like yesterday, hey, let's ride somewhere. It's too pretty to sit at home. And I guess late last night they posted something about riding to Cissy's in Villa Rica for lunch or meet there. I don't know if we're meeting there or what, because ain't nobody said anything. They seen the post, and there's some that's I know they go to church and all, so maybe they go meet there after lunch. Nobody said anything, so I'm just gonna head that away. If not, then I have a good ride. So let's see what the guy in the shed's got to say about this, or about that, about the hats. Oh, do you know trucker hats? Hey, oh, do you know truckers' hats has been a signature statement of American culture since the 1960s, when major companies started putting their names on them and had them out for free. John Deere was one of them. Hey, listen, we're fixing to find out if Dudley Road's still closed. They've been working on this Dudley Road right up here. A little shortcut deal, cut through, signs down. So let's see what they're doing on it. It looks like they patching it up and fixing it up. Maybe they're gonna pave it up. I don't know. We'll find out shortly, because they was working on the other end. Maybe they're gonna widen it. I think those people might fix it about that house, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what they're doing. Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's a piece of limb. I think that house is empty right there. And this house is, well, I guess he's back. Or maybe he's just parking his truck there, but it looks like he's moved. He used to ride and on. He works for the county. Oh, they cut down all them trees, so maybe they are going to do something. Huh. Cut down all them trees. Maybe the guy's fixing to, and this is where they was working at, so maybe that's what they was doing. Hey, cows. So maybe they're going to widen it. So we got, I got 31 miles. I keep saying I ain't got no mouse in my pockets. So So we got 31 miles to get to Chrissy's. Is it Chrissy's or Cissy's? Cissy's, I think. It's spelled like Cissy, but with a C. Oh, man. So what else did the guy in the shed's got to say about the Richardson's 112s? Oh, do you know truckers' hats were also called gimme hats or feed caps? Style became popular with truckers, farmers, and rural workers. That, yeah, kept the heads cool, I guess. Yeah, but there was, you know, feed companies and stuff like that, promotional, gave them away as promotional items. That's when they got them gimme hats. Them gimme hats, I might wear them if they would call gimme hats or feed caps. Oh, me. Yeah, because, you know, they became popular with truckers, farmers, and rural workers because they got them for free, was embroidered with logos from haulage and feed companies and farming supply companies. Yeah, that's what I just said, right? Hey, there you are. That was pretty cool facts about the truckers' hats and farmers. No, I don't know what he said. I'm just going with it. Just to put together a video of Memorial Day, riding on Memorial Day weekend. I don't know, but I've been told the Eskimo holds mighty cold. I don't know where that came from. Wada wada bing bang. E-ah-ah-ah, wada bing bang. U-E-ah-ah-ah, dang, wada wada bing bang. See, we get the high score and look. Is that a mowhead mower? No grass in the road. Good job. Oh, got choo-choo train. I think we can go around it though, because we ain't go across in there. Yeah, buddy, look at that old house. You know how I can tell it's old? Because of the way it is. Oh, look, the motorcycle. One of them bagger bros. Racing the choo-choo train, but I think he's gonna beat us. Because he's way up yonder, the head of it is. The engineer making, because we're gonna have to go cross over 78 somewhere down here. I don't know what that car is gonna go, or he's gonna turn. He's gonna turn down there. So this is Villa Rica, one side of the tracks. That's the thing about these small towns. They usually the train tracks divide them. And it don't look like we're gonna get across right here, I guess, because that's the only place else we can cross. There comes the end of it. I missed having no cabooses on the trains. I think that was they should, but it just added weight. So I guess, you know, money talks. Plus that they cut everybody down to like 3 people on the train. Yep. Now I see some bikes down here. There's Cissy's. I don't know none of them people. Hey, do you know before 1960s, truckers wore hats called jockey caps, military caps, pillboxes, or mechanic caps. That's what they used to call them before 1960s. Check out that road glide. Harley Davidson. Pretty neat. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Yeah, there's some more biker bar. There was two or three people in there knew. Had a good burger. Whew, shoot, I got to sneeze. Get some fresh air. I can't be around them cigarette smokers. Oh, that's my radio. I thought, what is that? Woo! Oh, me. So, yeah, that was a pretty good ride. Down here, hung out with Lee and Rob for a little bit. Noses running from all the cigarette smoke. I'll be coughing all night. So, hey, my man in the shed, got any more facts for us? Oh, do you know that some says that in the 1960s to the 1970s, by sports being broadcast on TV shows added to the acceptance of wearing baseball caps and truckers' hats as everyday wear. Yeah. Turn it up. Sweet home Alabama. So we're gonna go back this way, I guess, the way I'm going. Upper crib something, cabinet designs, Academy of Dance, chit choo choo. Cinema bad to the bone. What I should have done, I wonder if Atlanta's Harley's open, but oh well, I'm going back home. So any more facts? We got any more facts? I don't know. Check it out. See if we got any more facts there, guy in the shed. Oh, do you know that the truckers' hats are wore mostly mostly worn by working class people? Go America. Keep America moving, right? Freedom. That's all I got. I'm gonna go for a ride and then fill these in through the day. I don't know where we're going. Anybody come and try to do me? No, yeah. Enjoy the ride. Rest of the ride. So, yeah. I don't know where this road goes. North Van Wert Road. I just turned on it. I didn't feel like going all the way down 78, so we'll see where this road goes. Might be a pretty good road if it don't dead end. Because it says no trucks over 6 wheels. That's a good sign it might be a good road. Railroad tracks. Slow down. Yep, they bumpy. Might be a pretty good road. Coming in the back way down through the subdivision of Tallapoosa, Georgia, on Head Avenue. 4-way stop. Is this the one I want to turn on? Is the next one? I think it was that one. Let me spin around here. But when I came this way forward, I should have turned to the other street, but that's okay. We'll turn here and go back because I'm going to stop by the park. Get a gram picture. You know, get a gram picture. And then there was something else I want to show you. I came upon it, I threw it on the lawn. I believe that's a stop sign there. going to say something? You gonna pull on out there? Wasn't gonna stop, was you? Oh, hey, you working? Hit me a ground picture. Uh-oh, I got some text messages. Garbage. Read them later. Those people that ain't doing what I'm doing. You're gonna walk around the park here. Yep. All the names. Wish they had the fountain going. They probably ain't got no piping, everything's gone. That's peace for the never forget tragedy and heroes and sacrifices that day, 9/11 Memorial. What we're gonna do is walk up here for a minute and now look at the 9/11 Memorial. Supposed to be a fire hydrant in these trees right here. I think they cut the tree down because it's not here. I was thinking it was right here. At one time this fire hydrant was in a tree, but I guess it's gone. Oh well. Whew. There's the, I didn't know that there was socks. Mr. Stash, you're going to fill me in on the socks. All right. I can't see nothing. Not one of these. Nope. Anyway, well, it was worth the adventure to try it. Something you seen on the Google internet, but I think that tree died and they had to cut it down. Maybe that's what it was. Whew. So I think I'm gonna check out Stedman Road right up here. Whew. And see how the paving job's going, and hope you had a happy Memorial Day weekend and all, and celebrated the remember fallen veterans and all. Anyway, go check out that video right up there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up, and thank the veterans for your freedom. Later.